Let's remain here in Soweto now, where the Gauteng Department of Health has launched the Provincial Waste Pickers Health Awareness Campaign aimed at safeguarding the well-being of informal recyclers. MEC Nomantu Nkomo led the rollout in Meadowlands this morning, where waste pickers received on-site screenings, health education and medical referrals. Now, the department says the partnership with the South African Waste Management Council targets occupational risks, limited healthcare access and unsafe working conditions while promoting safer recycling practices.
Baxhaswa ngezinsiza kusebenza abaziphilisa ngokuqoqa imfucuza okubalwa phakathi amabhodlela, amaphepha kanye namaplastiki endaweni yaseMeadowlands ngoLwesihlanu. Lona ngumkhankaso womnyango wezempilo ngokubambisana nomkhandlu obhekelele ezokuqoqwa kwemfucuza kwelakuleli.
Waste management is often spoken about technical terms, but it is at its heart about people and livelihoods. In our townships, the waste economy is a real source of income. It puts food on the table, it pays school fees, and it gives many families a chance to live with dignity. It is a grassroots economy that grows from the streets, backyards, and landfill sites to our communities. So you are one of those economists, Nina, ezenza ebalekile yokondla abantu bakuthi. Niyakwazi ukuphilisa abantwana benu ngezandla zenu. So that's why uhulumende funeka aninakekele, and that's what we are doing today.
Abaqoqa imfucuza bahlomule ngezivikeli zokusebenza phecelezi personal protective equipment ezizobasiza bavikeleke uma benza lo msebenzi.
The objective then of this initiative is to recognize and honor the important role of waste pickers, to raise awareness about the risk they face and promote safer working practices, including use of personal protective equipment and proper hygiene, which I really appreciate the Department Program Director for doing that work. So in the streets of Soweto, we saw the impact of providing gloves, masks and basic training. Waste packers moved with more confidence, sorting recyclables safely and efficiently. And one worker said to us, "I feel like a worker, not a scavenger."
Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu ngiseMeadowlands.